This is my new apartment. Oh my gosh! Hey guys! I'm so excited. This is my new apartment. Oh my gosh! I love it. So I'm going to do an empty apartment tour. I literally just got my keys now. And yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. It's just a one-bedroom apartment, just for the girl. There's so much echo in here because there's literally nothing, not even boxes. So it's just after 11. My rush hour was at 11, so I quickly came from the office to come fetch my keys and do some admin. But all is well. My apartment is ready for me, so I'll be moving some of my stuff this afternoon at just after work. So I'll just be bringing a few things. So I thought I should do this before I bring anything in here. So let me show you guys how it looks. Yeah, let me not waste any time and show you how it looks. And please, if you guys know where this is, can you please not say it because of obviously safety reasons. Yeah. So this is the entrance. This is where I enter, obviously, and on your right is just, you know, electricity. And then this is where I'll probably have my microwave and like decor, and up there. There's definitely not enough space in the kitchen, but it's a small place just for me. The sink is over there, and that's the drawer. So this is probably where sink. That's probably where I'm just gonna have my pots in there. And then this is where you can put your washing machine or dishwasher, which I don't have. The place is a bit dusty. It's brand new, so someone, the cleaning lady, will come clean it as soon as I give her space. I just told her I needed to do a tour. Yeah, this is how it looks. That's the stove, all brand new, with my pans in there. And then that's the drawer. With this, it's really not enough space. I was thinking that food, like, where will I have it? But I'll figure things out. And then on your left, it's the bathroom. This is how the bathroom looks, and that's me. It has a basin. I love this marble finish. It has a basin and it has a drawer. I mean, yeah, it has some storage in there. And then that's the toilet, which will be cleaned just now. I love this space over here, which I might just put my, you know, my everyday essentials in there. And then that's just the fan that's making noise just to keep it cool because there's no window in here. And then this is the shower. That's just the towel rack. The shower over here, still brand new. Love it. I love being the first person in an apartment. Yeah, and then we're moving on to, so this is literally a lot of space that I can use. I definitely think that I'll have my chest of drawers here and then my study table over there because this is usually used for like dining, and I really don't think I'm gonna need like a dining room or dining space in my place, at least not for now. And then there's another space here where my fridge will be, and then I might just get like a bookshelf and turn it over, then use it for my groceries or something. I don't know, I can just like use the rest of the space for the kitchen. And then over here is, sorry, yeah, there we go. I can't show you guys up there because I don't have curtains yet, and I obviously don't want you guys to know where I stay. But there, that space will be used for my couch, and over there, so the TV will be over here, and that would probably be my stand, my TV stand. And then we go into the bedroom. It's not a big bedroom. I'll show you guys here. This is my closet space, just 3. That's why I need to put my chest of drawers in the other room. I saw it on Pinterest. I saw how people can actually decorate chest of drawers by putting it in the living room, so I thought I could do the same. So yeah, this is, I can't really use this space because that's, you know, where the door goes. But yeah, this is the bedroom. I'll just have my double bed over here. It's not very big, until probably here, so I can just tiptoe around and up. This is where the window is. Can't show you guys that either, but yeah, it is like two spaces or plugs where I can plug my stuff, or have like my side lamps, you know, my, what are they called, those lamps? Yeah, that's it, you guys. I really love these lights. I think they're very like cute and unique and stylish, very modern, definitely my kind of style. So yes, welcome to my new apartment. I am so excited. I can't wait to move in here. Like I told you guys, I will be moving a few of my stuff this afternoon, and then by Saturday I'm moving big furniture. So join me on my journey. I can't do it, like literally. Let me actually have a chat with you. So I really appreciate my previous apartment. I really do. It was nice, but it was very tiny and I couldn't really do anything in it. And I'm grateful that I had that place, because some people don't even have space, you know, at all. But I'm really grateful that I had that space and I was able to, the distance between there and work was close. It was very convenient, it was very affordable. But as you guys knew, as soon as I got my permanent job, I could, you know, I was flexible enough to make decisions like these and move into a bigger apartment or an apartment that I would love. And I thank God for this. This is definitely God, and I'm really grateful. I need to rush to the office though, and I'm really excited, guys. I'm sure you guys can tell. I can't wait to turn this place around and make it mine and just put my personal touch in it. And I hope you guys join me on this journey. See you on my next vlog.